Hi, in this tutorial today, we would like to see how to measure distance using the Maker Nano RP2040 and HCSR04P ultrasonic sensor. The value is then displayed on the 1.44-inch TFT display. For this tutorial, you will need a Maker Nano RP2040, a HCSR04P ultrasonic sensor, a 1.44-inch TFT display, and of course the breadboard and some jumper wire. The connection between the devices is as shown. For the coding, I have used the Arduino IDE and the library from Adafruit. The library for the Adafruit can be downloaded from the library manager. Once we have compiled and there is no error found, we can upload the code to our board. Now is the demonstration of the working board. That's about our tutorial for today. Till then, we shall meet in our next tutorial video. Thank you.